When you vex, when things not work out for you, you vex. If somebody send me a rose, me alright. If somebody send me a donut, I'm good, because you don't know what the people them have. Sometimes I want to send gift, when me look me not have. If you send me feel bad. You understand? Because I see somebody give me something, I want send a gift, when me look me not happy. So every time people have it, all we have to do is smile. And anything me have, me share it with you. I would share any fucking thing with you. So if you not make it, me make it. I'm tired of people that use me. I'm tired of people that fucking hurt me. Me not go back near no more body. I swear to you upon my life, me not go back near no more body, because people just take me for some fucking idiot. Because they say, me have this thing where me soft man certain level, they style me. I'm gonna tell you, say, me never like him for true, you know. Me did really like him, but it's not too much food. It's too much. It's too much. And you, they style me. The dirty family, you go up in her. You might tell me, oh, remember what she do? Yeah, listen to all of them. Nobody. Guys, me don't want to embarrass it. Me don't want nobody come and disrespect me. I don't want nobody in my box to disrespect me. Alright, it don't happen already. Just leave me. Me don't need to come and disrespect me. Me not like that. Let me take up one somebody on the start here. Me not go talk to her, you know. Me not go sexy. Me don't know who to take up in my box, because you know, a whole heap of people want to disrespect me. Me don't know who to freaking take up. Me don't know who to take up in my box. Alright? Because somebody go come up here and disrespect me. And next, for what? Me don't want to talk in, bro. It's alright. I don't have to say nothing. Me understand. I prayed my bed, I lie down in night, alright? I already played my bed, I lie down in night. Nobody enough to come up here and disrespect.
What did I miss? I was.
I just something happen betwixt me and your flavor. And I felt so disrespectful. I say to you, I come out of my house in at night. And certain things happen and me feel so bad about it. I come, I grind my teeth, I pray, I text him, I say, babe, I don't like that, because everybody I teach me say, Annie, you must learn how to come in.